Moin Moin, and thank you for tuning in. If you ask me how to measure employee experience, there are, I'd say, two key levels to distinguish. One is just having an overall employee experience, so that you can use as an outer variable to understand how are all the different experiences that an employee has adding up. That outer variable of employee experience is very important because eventually you want to understand how the different interactions that are on the lower level, at the moment level, are impacting the overall experience, because that will help you to prioritize. So having an outer variable employee experience overall, and then you go down to the moment and touch point level. So you measure experience in one moment, for example, have your first day, or have a manager conversation, or commuting to work. All of these are moments, and you just ask how the overall experience is. And then below each of the moments, there are touch points, which make up the experience in that moment. And you also want to measure the experience at these touch points. So for example, on your first day with the company, how was the experience with your manager, meeting your manager for the first time, meeting your colleagues, seeing your workplace, getting your IT equipment. All of these are touch points that make up the moment experience. And then if you measure those, you will very specifically know where the experience breaks. And at the third level, you also measure the quality of the interaction. It could be easy, so it should be effortless to go through a moment. And it could be desirable, so make people happy to go through a moment. Now, if you're taking these dimensions, the measurement of EX is a very powerful tool to prioritize. Because if you're measuring at a high level, you will only understand the overall experience. But if you're understanding across all the different moments, which of the moments are providing a not so good experience, that helps you to already, out of the whole universe of potential moments, to narrow down and focus. And then within each moment, you can also understand the touch point. So if you have a moment which is not scoring good, you will understand which touch points are making the experience break. So overall, this way of measuring EX in that structure is a very powerful way to find the pain points, and it will also allow you to prioritize because you understand which of the moments have the highest impact on overall EX, and hence where should you prioritize improvements of the employee experience and hence also allocate budgets to. So please let me know if that makes sense to you. I'm really interested to hear your views, and please comment down below.